Hello, good morning to you all. Today in this video, I'll show you how you can organize your home screen of your mobile. And this is my Android mobile. See now, everything looks clumsy. See, this is the brand new mobile what I have taken recently, a month ago. But I didn't organize any of this home screen. But you can do that. So simply, you can place this wherever you want. See here, you can position the Google search bar. If at all, if you don't want, you can press and hold and you can click on remove. So I want this Google search bar on home screen, so I will keep this. So if any one of you feeling that Google home screen is missing, or how to keep this Google home screen on your Android mobile screen right at your home, I'll place the link in the description for the previous tutorial video that you can follow. And you can remove the unwanted apps, like press and hold and you'll get this option, remove folder. Okay, remove this app by clicking on this cross mark symbol, remove. And tools, I don't want, remove folder. Remember, when I say like pressing and hold and clicking on remove, it doesn't mean like I am uninstalling the app from the phone, but I'm just removing it from the home screen. When I click on remove, it just removes that shortcut from the home screen of your Android mobile. And see, now I have organized everything here. And what if you want one of the app to the home screen, you can do that. Just go to your apps, just scroll from left to right, and you can press and hold and drag and just drop it at the home screen. See, this is how you can drop one of the app from other screen to home screen. And to further customization and to make most effective use of this home screen, we can add some widgets. How to add widgets to your Android home screen? Just press and hold at the bottom of the screen, see here, and widgets will pop up, and click on widgets. See here, you can keep a calendar here. Just tap on it, it gets added to the home screen. You can keep the clock or these games or whatever, maybe you can search for the different. This is the news here, Google News. If I tap on this, it gets added. And to remove also, you can I'll remove also, press and hold and remove. And I'll show you an interesting widget so that it may be useful to you. Click on widgets and click on this world clock in the sense, uh, this will show you two timings or more timings at the same time. I'll show you practically. Tap on this. See here, 11:26 is the current time, and click on back. 11:26 is my current time, as you observe here. And at the same time, I can check other country time right now. So we can add more countries also. To do that, click on plus symbol here. For example, on this plus symbol and search for your preferred country. You can check by this country, or you can just search here in the search bar. For example, I'll search as Australia. Even if it is not Australia, you can click on Adelaide, means Adelaide is in Australia. So it is 15:28. So likewise, we can monitor our timing and check the comparisons with different countries. And there will be a scroll bar here if you add a few more countries. And what if you want to delete some of these countries? You can tap on here and edit and press and delete. So this is how you can beautify or make most use of your home screen on Android. If you feel this tutorial is helpful to you, please do hit a like and share it to others so that it may be useful to others too. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.